Bowling looks simple, but the wrong shoes can throw off your whole game. A smooth slide and steady grip can make a big difference on every single shot. Today, I'm talking about the best bowling shoes and how the right pair can help you stay balanced and comfortable on the lane. I've picked out top options that fit a few different categories, so there's something here for many types of players without getting too complicated. If you want to check any of these out, you'll find the links down in the description. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. If you've got questions about anything I cover, drop them in the comment section and I'll do my best to help. All right, let's get right into the reviews. Dexter SST8 BOA MC Best Men's Bowling Shoes. I'm starting this list with a pair that focuses on control and adjustability right from the start. It brings a dial-based fit system and interchangeable soles together in one premium package. This model stands out for its patented SST sole and heel setup. You can swap the slide sole and heel to match your style or lane feel. Out of the box, you get the S8 slide sole with an H5 sawtooth heel for the slide foot and a T2 traction sole with an Ultrabrax heel on the push foot. Just keep in mind, extra soles are not included beyond what comes mounted on the shoe. The BOA disc lacing system lets you tighten or loosen with a quick turn, which gives an even fit across your foot. A neoprene bootie wraps your foot like a sock, and the leather toe drag protector helps guard against wear over time. Cushioning feels moderate, and the heel is flat for balance at the line. You can get it in black and pewter, in men's sizes 7 through 14, standard D width, with right or left-hand versions available. This one sits in the premium price range. KR Strikeforce TPC Hype Best Women's Bowling Shoes. For the women's pick, I wanted something that blends comfort, adjustability, and a bold look on the lanes. This one brings a modern style with performance features that feel serious right away. This pair uses a free-lock dial lacing system, so you just turn the dial to tighten or loosen for a secure fit. It gives you even pressure across the foot without dealing with loose laces. Around the back, a TPU molded heel stabilizer helps keep your foot steady during your approach. The outsole is made from TPU as well, which helps reduce break-in time. Inside, you get a high-rebound molded insole with moderate cushioning, giving you comfort through long sessions. For slide control, it comes loaded. On the slide foot, you get a genuine Clarino No. 8 white microfiber slide pad and a No. 5 graduated rubber heel. On the push foot, there's a T02 rubber push-off sole and a No. 2 sharktooth heel. Extra pads and heels are included in the box, plus a shoe cover and small accessories. Sizes run from women's 6.5 up to 14.5 in standard and wide widths with right or left-hand options. It's positioned as a premium choice for players who want adjustability and style in one package. Brunswick Avalanche Best Bowling Shoes for Beginners. If you're just getting started, this next option keeps things simple and comfortable without feeling too technical. It has a sporty look that feels closer to regular sneakers than classic bowling styles. This pair uses athletic mesh uppers with a mesh lining, so your feet can breathe during league night or casual games. Inside, there's EVA foam cushioning that gives you a soft step, and the collar and tongue are padded for extra comfort. The outsole is an extra light molded EVA, which helps keep the weight down around 2 pounds. For slide control, you get pure slide microfiber soles on both shoes and a raised rubber heel that helps with a steady, controlled finish. The soles are not interchangeable, so what you get is what stays on the shoe. Some players mention mixed results with slide feel, and durability feedback can vary, especially with heavy use. Fit opinions are mixed too, with some saying true to size and others suggesting slight sizing changes. It comes in black and gray or gray and navy in men's sizes 7 through 14, including half sizes. This one falls into the lower mid-range price category, making it a friendly starting point. KR Strikeforce Flyer Mesh Light Best Budget Bowling Shoes. Next up, I've got a pick that keeps things simple and affordable. This one focuses on comfort and a clean athletic look without pushing into higher price levels. It features a soft mesh upper with leather accents, giving you a lightweight feel at around 2 pounds. Inside, there's faux suede lining and EVA cushioning with a moderate level of padding. The heel is flat and the toe has a closed low-top athletic shape. You get a lace-up closure with an adjustable strap, which helps keep the fit secure during your approach. The outsole uses EVA for flexibility and grip, and most players say the slide feels good for casual or league play. That said, long-term durability feedback can vary. Some mention the slide pad wearing down faster than expected, and a few report the sole separating after a few months. Fit is described as true to size for most, though one or two sized up slightly. Sizes run from 6.5 all the way up to 15, with a 1-year warranty and a budget-friendly price tag. This one works well for newer bowlers or anyone who wants to keep spending in check. Dexter Men's SST8 Pro BOA LE Best Bowling Shoes with Interchangeable Soles. For bowlers who want full control over their slide, this option really leans into adjustability. It's built for players who like to fine-tune their setup from league night to tournament play. This model features a fully interchangeable sole and heel system, so you can swap pieces based on lane feel and personal style. In the box, you get an S8 white microfiber slide sole and an H5 sawtooth heel for the slide foot, plus a T2 Plus rubber traction sole and an H2 Ultra Brax heel for the push foot. The shoes are convertible, which means you can set them up for right or left-hand use. The BOA Fit system uses a twist dial for quick micro adjustments, and it comes with a lifetime warranty on the dial and laces. A leather toe drag protector helps guard against slide sole peelback. The upper blends soft man-made material with nylon, and cushioning ranges from moderate to high with an EVA insole. It comes in a white, black, and red colorway in men's sizes 9.5 through 13. This one is positioned in the premium tier for serious players. Dexter SST8 Power Frame BOA Best Bowling Shoes for Wide Feet. If wide sizing has been a struggle, this next option focuses on giving you more room without losing performance features. It keeps a low profile, but still brings pro-level details. This pair uses patented SST technology, so it works for both right and left-hand bowlers. The upper features a Power Frame KPU overmold with a honeycomb texture that reinforces the material for longer wear. Around the toe, a leather drag protector helps guard against slide sole peelback. The outsole is rubber with replaceable slide pads, and those replacements are known to be more affordable than some competing systems. The BOA Fit system uses a twist dial, so you just push and turn to tighten. No traditional laces to mess with. Cushioning is on the minimal side, which some players prefer for better lane feel. A few mention that sizing can run a bit large, so dialing in the right size matters. Wide sizes range from 7W through 11.5W, along with regular sizes up to 14. Color options include white and black or white and gray. This one sits in the premium category for bowlers who need extra width and adjustability. That wraps up my picks for the best bowling shoes. If you want more breakdowns like this, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.